Congratulations! You've received a letter from the European Patent Office informing you that your patent has been granted. Time to sit back and watch the patent bring you income? Well, not quite. My name is Marta. I am team manager in the area Online User Engagement, and this is Head Start. That your patent has been granted means our patent examiners have confirmed that your invention is novel, involves an inventive step, and has a practical application. Now, you have the exclusive right to make and sell your product or license it to others. However, this exclusivity only applies in the countries and territories you specify and for which you will pay relevant fees. Therefore, after your patent is granted, the crucial next step is called validation. The next video in the Head Start series is on this topic. But there's something else to consider too. Can your granted patent be challenged? The answer is yes, because lawmakers have foreseen several options to ensure that patent systems are fair and allow errors to be corrected. After grant, your patent is published and becomes public knowledge. Now imagine that your competitor is convinced that your patent technology infringes their own invention. They have the right to file a so-called opposition at the EPO within 9 months from the publication of the mention that the patent has been granted. During the opposition procedure, EPO examiners will assess the arguments from all parties to decide whether to maintain the granted patent, amend it, or revoke it entirely. Don't let this deprive you of any sleep though. Only a fraction of granted patents are opposed, and the percentage varies strongly depending on the technical field. And even if our experts decide to amend or revoke your patent, you still have options. You can file an appeal against the decision with the boards of appeal, which are independent of the EPO in their decisions and are bound only by the European Patent Convention. But what if you discover, after the patent has been granted, that some features of your invention aren't novel after all? You may request limitation of the patent at any time after grant. This will strengthen the patent and make it more attractive to potential license takers. Finally, if you decide that you do not need the patent any longer, you can request its revocation. Do celebrate when your patent is granted, but remember that it still needs looking after. Make sure it covers the right territories, that all fees are paid, that challenges are handled effectively, and that your patent remains aligned with your business strategy.